Updating your legal profile on MyHeritage is essential to ensure that your information is accurate and up to date. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your account. Access the MyHeritage website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Navigate to your profile. Once logged in, locate your profile icon or name, usually found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it to access your personal profile settings. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your legal information. In the editing interface, find the section dedicated to legal information. Here, you can update details such as your name, marital status, or any other legal identifiers that need changes. Step 5. Save changes. After making the necessary updates, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your modifications. By following these steps, you can keep your legal profile on MyHeritage accurate and reflective of your current situation. Regular updates help maintain the integrity of your family history and genealogy records.